now. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning. How are you, my students?
I'm fine, thank you. Thank you, Miss.
Good morning. How are you, my students?
I'm fine, thank you, Miss.
Good morning to you. Good morning to me. Good morning. How are you, my students?
I'm fine, thank you.
If I sing that song, you just only say I'm fine. Okay? Kalau Miss Vita nyanyiin lagu tadi, kamu cuma jawabnya I'm fine. Okay? Yuk, let's repeat once more. Kita ulangi ya, sekali lagi ya. Good morning, how are you, my students?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good morning, how are you, my students?
I'm fine.
Good morning to you. Good morning to me. Good morning, how are you, my students?
I'm fine. Miss.
Okay, alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. So before we start the lesson today, let's recite basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Syakila normally ya, itu pelangi-pelanginya di remove dulu. Okay, so did you remember about the last lesson? Did you remember about the last lesson? Ada yang masih ingat pelajaran terakhir kemarin? What did we learn? Apa yang udah kita pelajari? Colors, and then? Okay. Last week we had studied about colors. Okay, can you mention the color of the rainbow? Masih ingat warna-warna di rainbow? Apa saja? Come on, mention. Red,
pink and purple.
Okay, right. So many colors in the rainbow. Ada banyak. How many colors there? Ada berapa warnanya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colors. Okay, so now please take a look your book on page 8. Lihat bukunya halaman 8. We are going to study about time. Okay, Miss Vita mute dulu. So today we are going to study about time, or you can say this clock, jam. Ya. Have you known about clock? Ada yang udah tahu tentang jam? Ada yang udah bisa baca jam? Coba raise hand yang udah bisa baca jam. Oke, Syakila, and then Atta, Ganis. Oke. Belum banyak ya. Atta, saudaranya ada yang di kelas 1 ya, Atta ya? Bener nggak, Atta?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, iya. He told me last week, he said, Miss, kan aku punya saudara namanya Ananta Kamil, kelas 2 katanya. Oke. Nah, kelihatan kalau udah di Zoom gini. So, before I explain you, I'm going to show you this clock. Here are 12 clocks. Ada 12 ya jamnya. And then let me read them for you. Miss Wita bacain dulu. And then I explain you. Di dalam jam, here are 2 arrows. Ada 2 jarum, ya kan? The first is purple, and then the second is blue. Warnanya ada ungu dan juga biru. Ya, the short one, and then the long one. Yang pendek dan juga panjang. The shorter yellow, the short one yang pendek ini itu menunjukkan jam, shows time, menunjukkan jam. Sedangkan the long one yang panjang shows minutes, menunjukkan menit. Dengerin dulu, maksudnya gimana, Miss? Jadi, kamu pernah dengar nggak ini? Jam berapa? Jam 7 lewat 5 menit misalnya. Terus jam berapa? Jam 5 lewat 10 menit. Atau jam berapa? Jam setengah 6. Nah, contohnya seperti itu. Tapi kita tidak belajar yang sulit-sulit dulu. Kita belajarnya yang jamnya menunjukkan tepat. Oke. Jam yang menunjukkan tepat, jarum panjangnya selalu ada di angka 12. Remember, jam tepat selalu ada di angka 12 jarum panjangnya. Terus jarum kecilnya kemana, Miss? Yo terserah jarum kecil. For example, this one. The short one shows number 1. Nih, yang pendek menuju ke angka 1. Berarti 1 o'clock. Ya. And then this, jarum pendeknya ke angka 2. Berarti 2 o'clock. Jarum pendeknya ke angka 3 berarti 3 o'clock. Jarum pendek ke angka 4 berarti 4 o'clock. And then jarum pendek ke angka 5 berarti 5 o'clock. Kamu lihatnya jarum pendeknya. Ini semua jarum panjangnya di angka 12. Jadi jamnya tepat semua. Kamu tinggal lihat jarum pendek. Oke. Who wants to read? Siapa yang mau baca? Ayo angkat tangan, raise up your hand. Anggun, oke Anggun. Unmute silakan. Read this one.
6 o'clock.
Oke, pinter. Next, who want to read? Atta, ayo Atta. This one.
7 o'clock.
Oke, next Alicia. This one Alicia.
8 o'clock.
Oke, next Shakila.
9 o'clock.
Next Alula. Alula. Unmute dulu.
Okay. 9 o'clock.
Oh no, this one.
10 o'clock.
Oke,
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam. Oke, next Faranisa. Di unmute dulu sayang.
11 o'clock.
Oke, and then the last Danika.
12 o'clock.
Oke, very good. All of you can read from 1 until 12. Oke, lihat kalau 12 o'clock itu berarti yang jarum panjang dan pendeknya sama-sama di 12. 12 o'clock alias jam 12. Pas, gak kurang, gak lebih. Oke, no less, no more. Oke, now listen to this audio please. Dengerin dulu audionya, jangan ada yang unmute.
Track A7, page 8. Activity 6. Listen and say.
1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
Okay, got it? Understand all of you? Yes, okay. Now, bawahnya chant. Listen and chant, then draw. Kamu dengerin dulu ini, ya. Terus nanti kita beri garis panjang dan juga pendek di jamnya, ya. Listen to this audio, please. Oke, disiapkan buku sama pensilnya. Kita isi barang-barang habis ini. Ini kita kecilin dulu biar kelihatan semua. Dah.
Track A8, page 8, activity 7. Listen and chant.
What time is it? What time?
Time to get up, get out of bed.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Time is it? What time is it? It's time to go to school, my friend. What time is it? What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's time to eat lunch. I want some bread.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. What time is it? What time is it? It's time to go to bed, sleepyhead. What time is it? What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock.
Finish? Sudah? Udah diberi garis?
Finish, Miss. Finish.
Have you drawn the arrow? Udah ini,
Finish, Miss.
udah dibikin jarum panjang dan pendeknya sudah dibikin.
Yeah.
Oke, now I want you to guess the time in here. Siapa yang mau boleh dinyalakan annotate-nya? Oh, masih ngerjain. Oh ya udah, Miss tungguin deh. I'm waiting for you. Miss putar sekali lagi ya.
Track A8, page 8, activity 7. Listen and chant.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's time to get up, get out of bed.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock.
Number one.
What time is it? What time is it? It's time to go to school, my friend. What time is it? What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock.
Number 2, 8
What
o'clock.
time is it? What time is it?
It's time to eat lunch. I want some bread.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock.
Number 3, 1 o'clock.
What time is it? What time is it? It's time to go to bed, sleepyhead. What time is it? What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock.
Number 4, 10 o'clock. Mikail, nggak boleh kayak gitu ya. Ditaruh tulisannya, nggak boleh nulis-nulis yang lain. Selain pelajaran ya. Oke, finish? Now I want you to draw. Miss Vita minta draw di sini.
Finish,
Yep.
Miss.
Oke, thank you. Siapa yang mau draw di sini? Yo. Ada yang mau draw di sini? Silakan, boleh dinyalakan annotate-nya.
Wow.
Siapa itu? Enggak, Miss Vita tunjuk, Miss Vita tunjuk.
Finish.
Tunggu. Miss Vita tunjuk, enggak boleh. Miss Vita tunjuk. Kava, ayo number 1, Kava. Silakan dinyalakan annotate-nya, tunjuk bikin 2 jarum, jarum pendek dan jarum panjang di sini. Come on, Kava. And then number 2. Siapa yang mau nomor 2? Yang belum. Arkan, ayo Arkan, number 2 Arkan. Dinyalakan annotate-nya Arkan. Nomor 2 ya, yang ini, yang merah. And then number 3. Number 3. Gak ada yang angkat tangan, ya udah Atta deh, number 3 Atta. Number 4. Raisa, number 4 Raisa. Ayo, silakan dicoret di jamnya ini. Buat 2 jarum, annotate-nya dinyalain. Turn on the annotation. Raisa bisa. Raisa kayaknya pakai handphone, kayaknya nggak bisa ya.
Laptop bisa nggak, Miss?
Pakai laptop bisa gak, Miss?
Di laptop bisa. Arkan pakai laptop kan bisa, Arkan. Annotate ada di atas, tulisannya.
Ada di atas.
Tulisannya anotate. Nah itu Raisa udah Raisa. Dihapus lagi. Kalau
ada
di atas namanya anotate yang ada gambar kayak pensil.
Di atas atau di bawah, Miss?
Di atas, sayang. Nah, Arkan udah, ayo Arkan, lanjut Arkan. Siapa nomor 1? Kava, oke, Kava nomor 1 udah bener. Arkan nomor 2 udah bener. Sekarang nomor 3 Atta, nomor 4 Raisa. Garisnya jelek nggak apa-apa, yang penting bener. Arkan udah, jangan dicoret-coret lagi. Come on, Atta bisa nggak nyalain annotate? Kalau nggak bisa ganti nih yang lain nih. Atta bisa nggak, Atta? Enggak, ya udah ganti yang lain ya. Siapa mau nomor 3? Nomor 3 yang mau nyalain annotate-nya boleh. Kan coret-coret kan enak.
Nggak bisa.
Alula bisa nggak? Ayo Alula yuk. Nomor 3 Al. Oke, Raisa, 1 lagi. Itu kegedean garis itu, Alicia. Alicia. Mau ngomong susah banget. Raisya, ya Allah. Ketukar-ketukar mulu. Ayo Alula, kok kamu panahnya ke situ sih Alula? Alula Latisha aku Winnie. Ayo, aduh lama sekali. Nggak apa-apa jelek, nggak apa-apa garisnya. Iya, kalau ngelihat muka-muka serius-serius kayak gitu tuh seru banget. Seneng gitu, pengen banget diledekin. Apalagi ya Miss Vita itu paling seneng ya kalau misalkan murid-muridnya Miss Vita nih lagi ngerjain daily test. Alicia nggak boleh coret-coret. Yang nggak ditunjuk nggak boleh coret-coret. Ayo Al. Udah oke, bener. Udah bener semua. Oke, thank you all of you. Udah Al, jangan dibagus-bagusin lagi. Oke, thank you. Bener ya. Coba kita lihat punyanya si siapa tadi yang pertama. Tadi lupa namanya. Siapa sih tadi? Aduh, lupa namanya.
Arfa, Miss.
Arfa. Kafa kok Arfa. Astagfirullahaladzim. Kafa. Sebenarnya benar sih, tapi jarum pendek ketujuhnya agak mencong ke sono dikit ya. Nggak pas di angka 7-nya. Punyanya Arkan angka 8-nya udah bener, tapi angka ke-12-nya agak mencong dikit, jadi belum ke 12 pas. Alula ini jarumnya banyak sekali. Serem sekali. Ini punya siapa nih? Raisa. Ini opo ini? Oh yo wis lah ora apa-apa yo. Wis iki. Tak hapus yo, oke? Dah dihapus sama Miss. Sekarang Miss tunjukin yang benernya. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ada yang salah, kalau yang belum benar silakan disalin, diganti. Yuk. Udah benar semua? Dah. Oke, next. Kita lanjut ya kalau udah benar semua. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now, listen and circle, then ask and answer. What time is it? Nah. Nah, sekarang kamu dengerin dulu, listen to the audio, and then circle. Terus abis ini kita, Miss Vita mau choose 2 by 2 of you untuk tanya jawab. Yang satu bertanya using this word, what time is it? Nah, yang satunya jawab, it's berapa? Jam berapa? Misalkan jam 1, it's 1 o'clock. Oke, coba repeat after me. What time is it? Oke, repeat after me ya. Dibaca setelah Miss Vita. What time is it?
What time is it?
Sekali lagi. What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
Okay, now listen to this audio.
Track A11, page 9, activity 8. Listen and circle. 1,
What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock.
2,
What time is it? It's 12 o'clock.
3,
What time is it? It's 11 o'clock.
4,
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
Oke, Miss ulangi ya. In exercise 8 di latihan 8 ini, listen and circle. Kamu dengerin audionya, listen to the audio, and then circle the right answer. Kamu lingkari jam yang disebutin pada audio, ya. And after this, I want you to ask and answer. Terus habis itu kalau udah semua, minta kamu untuk tanya jawab satu persatu, oke? Listen to audio once more.
Track A11, page 9, activity 8. Listen and circle. 1,
What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock.
2,
What time is it? It's 12 o'clock.
3,
What time is it?
It's 11 o'clock.
4,
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
Okay, have you already finished? Udah semua?
Sudah, Miss. I'm finished.
Okay, you have finished.
I have done, Miss.
Okay,
I have done, Miss.
number one. Number one apa? Number one.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Good. And then number 2.
12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
Okay, 12 o'clock. Good. Number 3.
1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
Number 3. Number 3.
11 o'clock.
Tadi ada yang jawab. Tadi ada yang jawab 1 o'clock. Salah ya. Yang benar 11 o'clock. And then number 4.
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock. Good. Very good. Okay. Now I want to choose. I want to choose 2 students for asking and also answering about time. Miss mau nunjuk 2 buat tanya jawab. Oke, yang tadi belum sama sekali Rafa, terus kemudian Joyce. Yuk Rafa sama Joyce dulu. Ayo sayang, di-unmute Rafa dan Joyce, di-unmute mikrofonnya. Rafa, di-unmute Rafa. Udah, oke. Joyce yang nanya, Rafa yang jawab ya. Oke, Miss, gitu dong.
Oke, Miss.
Oke, ini udah Miss Vita gedein segede kamu. Ya, kelihatan semua jamnya. Yang boleh unmute hanya Joyce and Rafa. Oke, sekarang Joyce silakan kamu tanya sama Rafa. Jam berapa ini in English? Yuk.
What time is it? What time is it?
Oke, Rafa jawab. Rafa? It's. Nah, ini berapa ini? 2 o'clock. Ulangi sayang, ulangi. Joyce ulangi yuk, yang keras lagi. Ayo Joyce.
What time is it?
Oke, Rafa. It's
It is
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Oke, good. Next, I want to choose Aira. Aira and Brina. Come on, Brina and Aira, silakan di-unmute. Oke, Brina yang nanya, Aira yang jawab ya. Aira mana Aira? Aira, say hello.
Kamarnya.
Oh, itu Aira. Oke, Brina, yuk Brina, mana Brina? Oke, ayo Brina yang nanya. 1, 2, 3.
Aira, what time is it?
Aira jawab.
What time? 4.
It's 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
Ulangi.
4 o'clock.
Oke, ulangi sekali lagi. Ayo Brina.
Aira, what time is it? Is 4 o'clock.
Oke, good. Sekarang gantian. Aira yang nanya. Aira yang nanya, Brina yang jawab. Ayo Aira.
What time is it, Brina? It's 4 o'clock.
Oke, very good. Thank you, Brina and Aira. Next, I want to choose. Yang belum ya. Yang belum. Ganis. Ganis and Seiji. Ayo, Ganis and Seiji. Seiji di-unmute sayang.
Oke, Miss.
Seiji, oke. Ganis yang nanya, Seiji yang jawab ya. 1, 2, 3.
What time is it?
Ayo Seiji jawab sayang.
Is
What time is it?
o'clock.
Ulangi sayang, kurang terdengar Seiji. It
Is 2 o'clock.
Oh, ini yang benar. It's 12 o'clock. Ya sayang. Oke, ulangi lagi. Ayo Brina, Brina yang tanya lagi. Ayo Brina. 1, 2, 3. Kok Brina? Tadi siapa sih? Ganis. Ganis kok Brina sih? Ayo Ganis, sayang.
What time is it?
Seiji.
Is 12 feet.
12.
Is 12 o'clock.
Oke, pinter. It's 12 o'clock. Sekarang change, gantian. Seiji yang nanya, Ganis yang jawab. Ayo, Seiji.
What time is it? It's 12 o'clock.
Oke, very good. Thank you, Seiji and Ganis. Miss Wita tuh kalau mau nyebut Ganis and Brina itu kadang suka ketuker. Soalnya nggak tahu ya, kok kayak agak sama tapi beda. Gimana sih Miss Wita, agak sama tapi beda? Next, I want to choose Kenzo and then Nizar sisiran di depan kamera. I want to choose Mikail and also Kenzo. Ayo sayang. Turn off. Ya di unmute. Mika. Ayo Mika. Kenzo, kamu yang nanya ya, Mika yang jawab. Ayo, 1, 2, 3.
Mika, what time is it?
Mika?
It's 10 o'clock.
Oke, it's 10 o'clock. Sekarang gantian, Mika yang nanya, Kenzo yang jawab.
Bentar. Nanya kayak gimana?
Mika sayang, what time is it? Gimana?
What time is it?
Kenzo?
What time is it, Kenzo? It is 10 o'clock.
Oke, very good. Thank you, Mika and Kenzo. Next. Miss Vita mau tunjuk yang lain lagi. I want to choose the other one. Ini yang tadi barusan habis sisiran, brushing hair. Ferdi. Ferdi. Tunjukkan dirimu sekarang. Ferdi sama mana ya? Ferdi sama Nizar. Ayo, Nizar yang habis sisiran. Ayo Ferdi yang nanya, Nizar yang jawab. Ayo sayang, yang ini, yang 8. Yuk, 1, 2, 3.
What color is it? What time is it?
Jawab, Nizar.
8 o'clock.
Oke, gantian sekarang Nizar yang tanya.
What time is it? It's 8 o'clock.
Oke, very good. Next, I want to choose Albina Hasya. Hasya, turn on your camera. Kameranya dinyalain dong sayang. Nah, Hasya versus yang belum ya. Miss Vita tunjukin yang belum.
Biarin aja.
Nggak mau dari tadi nggak dijawab.
Tahu ya, dianggurin aja. Kasihan ya.
Bukan ya, gue bukan ya kayak.
Ini kok, mohon maaf, berisik sekali di belakang situ. And then I want to choose Nisa, para Nisa. Nisa and Hasya, Hasya Albina. Sayang, silakan di turn on your microphone, unmute. Oke, Hasya yang nanya, Nisa yang jawab ya. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Albina Hasya. Hey, are you there? What time is it? Ayo coba.
What time is it?
Terus?
It's 6 o'clock.
Oke, sekarang Nisa yang tanya. Ya Nisa.
What time?
Ulangi sayang, putus-putus. Nisa.
What time is it?
Oke, Hasya yuk.
Is it 6?
It's 6 o'clock. Oke, let's do.
Yang paling bawah, Miss.
Oke, iya. Exercise.
Sudah, Miss. I have done, Miss. Sudah, Miss. I have
Oh, you have done. Oh, belum. Belum disuruh udah diisi ya?
Di sekolah saya yang nomor 9-nya work and rewrite, artinya semalam kerjainnya, malam kerjainnya.
Nah, yang ini sudah diisi semua.
Sudah.
Oke, yuk. Number one itu berapa? It is?
It's 9 o'clock.
Lo.
Balik lagi.
Iya, balik lagi.
Kan udah sampai nomor 9, Miss.
Iya. It is? It is 9 o'clock. Okay, very good. Number 2, it is?
It's 5
5
o'clock.
o'clock. And then number 3? Number 3?
3 o'clock.
Okay, 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Next. On page. Halaman berapa ini?
Miss.
Ya.
Miss, kok ada yang salah nih, kan wake up seharusnya jam itu harusnya jam berapa ya? Jam 5, kenapa jam 6? Jam 6 kan harus sarapan.
Iya, nggak apa-apa. Oke, lanjut ya. Miss Wita mute dulu. Ini silakan didengarkan. Listen to this audio.
Track A12, page 10, activity 10. Look, listen, and number. Number 1.
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Number 2.
I eat breakfast at 6 o'clock.
Number 3.
I get up at 10 o'clock.
Number 4.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
Number 5.
I wake up at 5 o'clock.
Number 6.
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
Number 7.
I eat dinner at 8 o'clock.
Okay, repeat once more.
Track A12, page 10,
Ditulis nomornya
activity
ya.
10.
Angkanya.
Look, listen, and number. Number 1.
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Number 2.
I eat breakfast at 6 o'clock.
Number 3.
I get up at 10 o'clock.
Number 4.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
Number 5.
I wake up at 5 o'clock.
Number 6.
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
Number 7.
I eat dinner at 8 o'clock.
Okay, have done. Let's match your answer with here together. Ayo kita jawab bersama-sama. Number 1, tadi apa?
Go to bed.
Go to bed. And then number 2, yang mana number 2?
Eat breakfast.
At breakfast at 6 o'clock. Okay, good. And then number 3?
Get up. Get up. Wake
Number 3, I
Get up.
get up. Okay, good. And then number 4?
Wake up.
Number 4?
Eat lunch.
Oh, salah. Number 4 apa number 4?
Eat
Eat lunch.
lunch.
Okay. And then number 5?
Wake up.
Wake up. Number 6?
Go to
Go to school. And then number 7.
Eat
Eat dinner.
And finish, Miss.
Okay, good.
I'm finished, Miss.
Okay, yeah, good. Thank you.
Miss.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Once more, satu lagi ya. Oke, once more, satu lagi. Ini you have to listen to the audio, match, and then write. Kamu tulis. Jadi kamu dengerin dulu nih, listen. Kamu dengerin, kamu cocokkan. Misalkan nomor 1. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Berarti tandai wake up ke 6. Nah, habis itu kamu tulis I wake up at 6 o'clock gitu. Ya. Oke, listen to the audio.
Track A13. Page 10. Activity 11. Listen and match. 1,
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
2,
I get up at 7 o'clock.
3,
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
4,
I go to school at 9 o'clock.
5,
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
6,
I eat dinner at 5 o'clock.
7,
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Oke, listen once more. Ini untuk jawabannya. Kita nanti difotoin ya. Yang ini saja halaman 10 on page 10. Yang ini exercise 11 sama 12 kamu kerjakan. Terus nanti kamu fotoin, kumpulkan ke Google Classroom ya. Oke, sekarang Miss Vita minta kamu dengerin sekali lagi.
Track A13. Page 10. Activity 11. Listen and match. 1,
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
2,
I get up at 7 o'clock.
3,
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
4,
I go to school at 9 o'clock.
5,
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
6,
I eat dinner at 5 o'clock.
7,
I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Miss,
Ya,
yang eat lunch-nya itu yang mana ya?
kenapa?
Yang eat lunch.
Eat lunch. Ini, oh mau diulangi lagi? Ayo diulangi lagi nggak apa-apa ya. Oke, Miss Vita ulangi sekali lagi, dengarkan baik-baik.
Track A13. Page 10. Activity 11. Listen and match. 1,
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
2,
I get up at 7 o'clock.
3,
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
4,
I go to school at 9 o'clock.
5,
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
6,
I eat dinner at 5 o'clock.
7,
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Oke, lunch-nya tadi udah ya, number 5 ya. I ate lunch. Gitu. Oke, that's all for today. Thanks so much for your participation and attention. Nanti yang dikumpulkan, kamu fotoin yang ini ya. Nih, Miss Vita tandai. Yang ini, exercise 11. Sama yang ini, exercise 12. Yang halaman 11, yang ini exercise 12, ini tentang diri kamu, ya. Jadi kamu isi berdasarkan diri kamu. I wake up at, nah kamu itu bangun tidur tuh jam berapa? Jam at 4 maybe, or at 5 o'clock. Terus, I get up, kamu bangunnya jam berapa? Gitu. Terus, I eat apa nih? Eat breakfast misalnya. I eat breakfast at misalkan 7, kamu tulis aja 7. Terus I go to school. Berarti go to school at berapa? Kamu sekolahnya. Terus ini I ngapain nih? Ini lagi ngapain nih? Lagi makan siang, berarti isi I eat lunch at jam berapa gitu, oke? Okay, so students, I think that's all for today for the material. Today we have learned about time. Jadi hari ini udah belajar tentang waktu. See? Don't forget to collect your task, and then let's recite hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dadah.